If you want professional results on the Serger ProFinish Serger, you need to start with Quality Serger Thread. So do keep in mind that Serger Thread does not come all the same kind. There is cheap Serger Thread and there is Serger Thread you will want to use. If you can look at the thread and see little bumps or thick and thin areas, or it's really, really fluffy, that's a little hard on the serger as it's going down through the tension discs. The tension discs have to kind of open and close as that thread is thick and thin. Some thread's really linty. That's just a whole nother not good things to put through a serger. It's like putting cheap gas in a high performance car. It's just not going to perform as best as it could. So we have put links below this YouTube video where you can find good quality thread. I am using right now a Mettler Cerakote thread. Yes, it is a little bit more expensive, but you've got to remember that these are 2,500 meter spools, so they are going to last a long time. So take the time, treat yourself to good quality thread. Trust me, if you want this serger to perform well, that will make all the difference in the world. Now, if you're looking to save some money, here's what you want to do. You're going to need 4 blacks and 4 whites, maybe some grays or creams. Those will keep the threads going to and matching your fabrics most of the time. When you need a thread to match a fabric, but might not be a shown thread for the inside seam, all you need to do is match the outside needle with that particular fabric color. That means you could even use a small spool of thread on that outside needle, because as you serge a 4-thread seam all the way down, you will notice that the thread that you see on the inside is actually the blue thread. So if you are wanting to match, all you have to do is get 1 spool of thread to match. Put dark threads on a darker colored fabric, creamy threads or gray threads to match colorful fabrics, and of course you have to have white when you're working on white fabric. So that's a great way to kind of evaluate which colors you're going to use the most and how simple it is to buy 1 spool of thread to match an odd color of fabric that you really do need to make sure matches the fabric when you sew the seam.